Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. So a quick little update on my missing heat pump from today. So here's how it went down. So I needed these two heat pumps today, and I've been so busy running around. And what I haven't been telling you guys is that I've been doing my taxes and dealing with a sick kid and other stuff I got planned. This is kind of our vacation time when we try to slow things down. And I get it, vacation doesn't supersede work, but family is most important. I always stress that, regardless of what other people think. So anyway, so I ordered this heat pump yesterday. It was after hours. I think it was like 5:30, so I missed them by a half an hour. Okay, I said, hey, can you guys please deliver this today or the next day for me, which will be tomorrow? And I said, but I want something from you. What I want you to do is, I have this other heat pump, the same heat pump I need on that job. So I'll have a total of two. One you grab here. So keep in mind, guys, this job is only about 4 minutes from my house. I mean, as soon as I start my car and pull out my driveway, I can be at this house in 4 minutes. So I gave him explicit instructions. Hey, have him call me. I go, I need to know if he can't do this, which there's no reason why he shouldn't, okay? Me trying to lumber this unit up into the back of my truck, he's got a big box truck with a lift gate. He should be able to just come over, load it up with the other one that I ordered yesterday, and then I would just follow him over, and we can put them on the pads where they go, or put them near the pads for me at least, you know? So I got back today at about 1 o'clock, and I was expecting a phone call, right? I'm like, hey Josh, I'm near you, blah blah blah. You said I needed to pick up a heat pump that we sold you, right? Never got a phone call, nothing. I called a couple times. I called the front desk. They said they were checking with him. They said they were going to have him call me. He never called me. So I sat there. I got busy finishing up my taxes this afternoon because I have to get. That's most important. Otherwise, I don't want those people after me. So he never called me. I get a bunch of messages. I should show you guys the messages on my email and my text, but they basically are saying we can't do that for you. And I go, so you're not going to come grab a heat pump that you sold me from my shop, which is only 4 minutes away from this job, help me out, and meanwhile while you're selling me another $3,400 heat pump? Yeah, that's Johnstone for you. Johnstone Supply. I'm gonna have to figure something out. I might just go Supply House all the way. They sell those aux boxes, but of course I looked at those and they're back ordered, so I don't know what to do. And there might be a reason why they're back ordered, because people are tired of their local distributors. So that's the story on that. They better rectify it tomorrow, and because I'm tired. Like I said, I have a little lift deal ordered up, so I can easily get these units up without hurting myself. But it won't be here for another week or so. So I don't know. Another distributor problem. I know you guys think I'm whining all the time, but this is the stuff I deal with. It's Murphy's Law. So is what it is.